Just reel it. Show her how to reel it.
That one. This one. This one.
You know how to do it. Come on. What?
One.
Oh, you do have one.
Dad, that alligator's staring right at it. Dad, show the alligator.
Bring it in, Estelle.
Keep reeling. Here, put your
All right,
pole
put your pole down. Estelle.
Oh, sorry, Ava.
It's fine. Yeah, Dad, show the alligator, Dad.
Hold on. Let me see you guys
You
again.
want him?
Estelle, you want to hold him?
I just